Customizing the appearance of your notifications on your iPhone 15 can help you stay organized and focused. You can choose how notifications are displayed on your lock screen and whether or not you want to receive banners or alerts. You can also choose which apps are allowed to send you notifications and how often they can send them. To change the appearance of your notifications on your iPhone 15, follow these steps. Open the Settings app. Tap Notifications. Under Display As, choose how you want notifications to appear on your lock screen. Count will show the total number of notifications at the bottom of the screen. And Stack shows notifications stacked at the bottom of the screen, with the most recent notification at the top, while List will show notifications in a list. The changes will take effect the moment you pick your choice. To change the notification settings for a specific app, tap the app under Notification Style. Under Alerts, choose how you want notifications for this app to appear. There are other options you might want to try to further customize the appearance of your notifications, so try testing them if you want. But as far as changing notification appearance is concerned, that's how it's done. We hope this tutorial can be helpful. See you on the next one.